Here we are back at the first gravel garden of Washington, D.C. This is a second season garden, meaning that it was planted in August when the seeds were no longer in the store. So here we have cucumbers over here. And if you look closely, there's a lot of yellow flowers down in the depths of this cucumber land. But also, you have actual cucumbers. Looking good, coming in strong. And another little one right here. So we have cucumbers going up the vine there. You see them crawling on the wall. You see that? These cucumbers are crawling on this wall. Look how many yellow flowers you see. We also see string beans. Nice good amount of string beans in here. Cucumbers behind it as well. String beans down in there. Good mess of beans. Over here we have our zucchini squash. The rain is messing up the leaf here with all the moisture. But we also do find the budding zucchini squash there. And finally, what we're really happy about, our basil. Look at that great basil. It's growing perfect. Exactly like how we want basil to look. All right. Get the book Riverstones Grow Plants by me, Richard Campbell. Learn how to grow your own gravel garden. This gravel garden was created 7 years ago and produces every year without any soil or fertilizers added.